Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is how you can use templates in n8n, the automation workflow tool. Now templates are actually pre-built workflows that you can import and export and adapt, okay? So what are you going to do? You're just going to come to the main section in here and you're going to start a workflow from scratch, okay? Now this is the main editor as usual. And I want you to scroll down until you can see templates in here, the templates section. So just open it, okay? And that's going to open this page of different templates based on different categories such as AI, sales, marketing, and so on and so on. What I recommend you do is that you use the search bar and you search by app or use case. For example, you can say, I don't know, email or, ChatGPT or things like that, okay? Things that you want to do specifically, but do not be so specific. Just use like certain keywords that are relevant, okay, guys? And that's pretty much it. Just find your preferred workflow in here. In my case, it's going to be, for example, let's say I want to do a marketing one. Summarize it to be different transcript. This one is cool actually. Let's do this. And you can click on use for free. And yeah, just you can edit it to your liking, and that's pretty much it. Thank you so much, guys.